Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Medicare card. Understanding your eligibility is the first step. Most people become eligible for Medicare when they reach 65 years of age. However, you might qualify earlier if you have certain disabilities or conditions like end-stage renal disease. It's important to know these criteria before you begin the application process to ensure a smooth experience. Applying for your Medicare card is straightforward with several convenient options. The easiest method for many is to apply online directly through the Social Security Administration's official website. If you prefer personal assistance, you can visit your local Social Security office. Alternatively, applying by phone is another excellent choice. Simply call the Social Security Administration to speak with a representative and complete your application. When you're ready to apply, having the right information on hand will save you time. You'll definitely need your Social Security number, so keep it accessible. Also, be prepared to provide proof of your age, such as your birth certificate. If you currently have any other health insurance, gather those details as well. This ensures a complete and accurate application submission. Knowing when to apply is crucial to avoid any gaps in coverage or penalties. Your initial enrollment period begins 3 months before your 65th birthday. This important window extends for 7 months, encompassing your birthday month and 3 months after. Enrolling during this specific time frame helps you avoid potential late enrollment penalties and ensures your Medicare coverage starts promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.